Okay, so everyone was in bed, and Marissa and I were the last ones. I go into my room, Marissa goes into her room. I come out of the bathroom because I had a tinkle. And Marissa's like, oh my god, there's an alarm going on. And so we couldn't get your window open because it was frozen. So then I ran downstairs, and I'm like, OMG, I think it's Kayla's car. So then Marissa and I go into Kayla's room, and she stands there and looks at us for about 4 minutes.
You're probably going to have to go out there with him so you got shoes and stuff
And
on.
we were trying to tell her that her alarm's going off.
Go.
And so she goes downstairs, she gets dressed, she goes downstairs, she gets in the car, turns it on, the alarm is still going off. And so now Jeff and Kayla are going outside to attempt to shut off this disastrous alarm that's going off at 2:30 in the morning. That's where we are right now.
He's hitting it. What is that noise? Double up. Jesus Christ, that scared me.
Where's your fuses at?